5 symptoms of bad wheel bearing. A wheel bearing is a crucial component of a vehicle's suspension system that allows the wheels to rotate smoothly and securely. Over time, the wheel bearings may wear out or become damaged, which can result in a variety of symptoms that indicate a problem. Here are some common 5 symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. 1. Grinding or roaring noise. A loud grinding or roaring noise coming from the wheels while driving is the most common symptom of a bad wheel bearing. The noise may become louder as the vehicle accelerates or turns. 2. Vibration. A bad wheel bearing can cause vibrations in the steering wheel, floorboard, or seat. These vibrations may become more noticeable as the vehicle speeds up or turns. 3. Uneven tire wear. A worn or damaged wheel bearing can cause uneven tire wear, which can lead to costly tire replacements if not addressed promptly. 4. Steering instability. A bad wheel bearing can also cause the steering to feel loose or unstable, making it difficult to control the vehicle. 5. ABS warning light. In some cases, a bad wheel bearing can cause the ABS warning light to illuminate on the dashboard. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is important to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Driving with a bad wheel bearing can lead to further damage to your vehicle and increase the risk of an accident. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.